Cooper. Cooper. What are you doing, big guy? What are you doing? You like it out here, don't you?
Tuesday evening and then Tuesday night, it's the biggies with Mark. Good to have you. Got new edition and one from the outfield, just a couple of tunes away. Initially, a Glenn song, this next one.
Been polishing chrome, cutting chrome to fit because he's cut out fender flares.
We're fans of T-Rex. That is certainly the case for David Bowie.
None of the chrome fit right.
Power station was covering T-Rex. Man didn't want to cover this song. Begged for a shot. Crushed it.
I'm going to try to have Bigfoot in paint by Saturday. You can see where I'm putting my chrome on. It was right there. I got to cut it yet. Yep, that chrome has to get cut. And polished because it's too long. I have to cut it and make it fit. What's up, Coop? What's up, big guy? Everything gets polished and pre-fit before I paint it. Then I'll remove everything and then get it primed, wet sand, and shoot it in sealer, then base coat, mid coat, blue ice pearl, and then clear. Then I put all the decals on, then I clear over the decals, and then I cut and buff it. Then all the chrome goes back on. Cooper, what are you doing?